Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Man, that's an incredible thought by the late Thomas Edison, who, did some incredible things in his life. And I'm going to say that one more time. He says, many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. And I'm sure you're familiar with the story of Edison, who tried hundreds of times, some say tens of hundreds of times, to develop the incandescent light bulb. And he just kind of looked at it and says, well, I just learned, 1,000, whatever it was, 1,000 ways not to do it. But, he never gave up. And so that's something very powerful to think about. Persistence is that force that keeps you, getting up and moving forward when you fall down as a result of temporary defeat. In order for us to get the things in life that we desire to have, it's important to develop a burning desire to succeed. Trials, difficulties, and setbacks, they're going to come. As you work on building your life, your home, your family, your business, to reach your dreams, But here it is. It's vital, to focus and work on what works, on the solutions to the challenges that we face and we are going to face, Just something to think about.